Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify store using AI in 2026, so you can transform a simple, candid business idea into a high-end studio storefront in record time, using advanced technical agents like Shopify Magic and Sidekick to handle your design and data entry. Let's get into it. First, start your 2026 free trial and define your identity. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your store's brain. In 2026, Shopify uses an identity sync to learn your brand's unique tone from the very first click. Go to shopify.com and sign up for a free trial. During the setup wizard, provide details about your niche. In 2026, Shopify Magic will ask for a brand vision prompt. Describe your goals as a professional content creator or market analyst here. Providing this professional data early allows the AI to technically pre-configure your dashboard, suggesting apps and themes that match your 2026 business scale. Next, summon Sidekick to design your studio theme. Forget manual CSS or liquid coding. In 2026, you candidly direct your storefront's aesthetic through the Sidekick AI Command Center. Click the Sidekick icon, the sparkling star, in the top right corner of your admin dashboard. Type a high-end prompt like, "Design a minimalist studio theme with slate gray and neon accents, optimized for technical software tutorial sales." Sidekick doesn't just pick a template, it technically builds custom theme blocks and layouts based on your professional brand voice. It handles the structural design so you can focus on your market analysis. Next, generate products and collections with Shopify Magic. Populating your store used to be a 2026 bookkeeping nightmare. Now, the technical engine handles the identity of every item you sell. Navigate to Products and click Add Product. Use the Shopify Magic icon in the description box. Input a few keywords like 4H Swing Trade Guide, Technical PDF, 2026 Updates. Select an expert tone. Use the media editor to candidly remove backgrounds from your product images or generate studio quality lifestyle scenes with a single click. High-end product listings are a mechanical necessity for conversions. Shopify Magic ensures your 2026 SEO meta tags and descriptions are professional grade and ready for global markets. And that's pretty much it. To create a Shopify store with AI in 2026, start your free trial and define your brand vision. Use Sidekick to candidly describe and build your studio theme, then let Shopify Magic technically generate your products, images, and SEO descriptions. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.